Hardly anything contains moisture here except from the cactus fruits. The animals need to bear with the stings. Chipmunks develop their unique harvesting technique in order to deal with the sting nests. The success seems to be worth the pain. And a dust bath helps to get rid of the stings again.
His quarry is unable to escape because it's a prickly pear cactus. The crimson fruit is a tortoise's favorite summer meal. When you move this slowly, even fruit can be slightly evasive. The desert tortoise has few predators thanks to its thick shell. And with this juicy diet, it can go a year or more without drinking. In this harsh environment, the desert tortoise has figured out how to live easy by going slow.